Another interesting tool, and the most important thing in editing, is a brush. If you go to the brush, now you can see we have something here. It's a first radius. You can brush your hair based on the camera view. It's very important. For example, if you brush this way, you can change your camera view. You can hold in your mouse and with click left and right, you can change the radius of your brush. Bigger brush or smaller brush. Visible only. For example, you have lots of hair behind this plane and you don't want to change them. Of course, check visible only. Restrict means if you in your plane, if in the plane you have selected some polygon here, you can come back to brush. The brush again is in the simulation tools. Then if you go to the hair and in a brush setting, restrict, you can see it just move the hair that are inside these polygon. Nice. Shape of this brush, you can make it to the box, you can make it a diamond, you can use a few tablets, you can use a pressure, radius, or strings. You can change the aspect of this diamond in any direction. You can change the angle of that. So make it the circle and aspect to 0. It's not 100%. It's nice. All about the shape of your look on a selected. You can see if you're going most over any, for example, I'm in a tip mode. You can select the mouse that you can see it's automatically select the tips and then move them. But you can see you can move along. It's automatically move all of the point tips that are under the mouse. But if you activate lock, lock on the selected, it just you want to begin from here and it just look at this selection and just move them, and it does not move other for example, it's lock the selection under the mouse and just move them, not other. So it's another benefit that you want to use. Selected only, it means if you select some tips, some hair here, go into the brush and it just move the selected hair guide. Another, you can see it's an IK hair inverse kinematic. If you move, and you can see if you're we have a specific we have just length of the hair and it does not go beyond that. But if you deactivate the hair, you can scale it in any direction that you want. It's break the segment. So it's an IK collision again. It does not collide with the plane, but if you want, it activates always, and you can see it does not go inside of the plane. But if you deactivate collision, now you can go inside of your plane. So collision is good. The collision radius, as I explained before, the imagine around the hair we have a radius and it's collide with other objects. The mode is important. It's a move, you can just move it. Another mode is twist. If you want to see the twist, it's better going to the point, and you can see it twisting the hair. You can see, just click, holding mouse and click and direct click, and then you can twist. Another thing is a ripple. It's nice. Going to the tip, it's holding your mouse and drag, it's rippling the hair under this brush. Nice. Again, the kink, just it's better going to the point. It just crumple the segment of the hair, kink. And smooth is vice versa. It's smoothing these crumbles of the hair. Nice. Scale, it's better going to the tip and it's scaling the hair if you want. Nice. Click and drag and scaling. And straighten, it just straighten the hair to their initial state. Straighten all of the hair. Nice. Delete, you can delete and brush and delete. Nice. And vertex paint, as I explained before, if you go into the point, you can paint some of the points. And I explained before, because you can paint a point, and if you go to the hair and the dynamic, you can use them in a map. Okay, I explained before in dynamic, you can use this mode of the brush to that. For example, if you go into the move, I delete this vertex hair vertex to do that. You can see going to the brush tool, fall off. The fall off is linear. For example, in the move we have, for example, needles fall off from the center of the brush to the radiostat. You can see it looks like a needle. It's acting, it's 100% of the strength of tool at the middle, and it's going to the 0 at the border of this circle. It's a needle fall off. For example, a doom fall off, you can see we have more like a doom. It's a needle, you can see it's sharp at the center. Bell, it's like a bell. You can see it's like a bell, and it's a fall off. You can take it to the spline and create your own spline fall off align movement if you want. So linear is default of that. Okay, and you can choose a different mode. It has a different behavior. Okay, for example, in a tip, for example, twist, you cannot see the twist in the tip mode. Okay, play with the modes to better see that. Or kink, you can see it just change the tips of the head, just kinking them. But if you go to the point, you can better see this effect. So remember that the different type of different mode of the hair with a different mode has a different behavior. Nice. But in this case, you can see the move of them are just moving whole body. But if you go to the tip, it just move the tip, and it's because of the IK, it just straighten them and it does not stretch them. For example, in this, it does not stretch them. Okay, for doing such these things, going to scale, just scale with keeping the segment of your hair. So brush tool is very important tool editing hair. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.